In this video, I'm going to show you how to track wallets on Solana. So there's many different methods you guys could use, but personally this one does work best for me. So what I recommend you guys do is actually head over to SolScan. SolScan will show you all the recent transactions and holders to basically every single token. So let's say, for example, we just go ahead and look up wallets, and basically we need to go ahead and find some wallets to actually track. So there's a ton of different options over here. Typically, I recommend one that does look something like this, where there's multiple different like tokens that do appear. So we got official Trump and Solana, but you guys can go ahead and keep on, searching around and actually find some wallets to track. But essentially what you need to do is you need to head over to SolScan, then go ahead and look for the token that you are actually trying to track. So again, let's say we're trying to track someone that does have $1,000 worth of like Trump token. Then what we need to do is we need to go ahead and enter in the Trump token address right over here, but you can also find it right over here. It is in the token dashboard, so we can go ahead and just press on that, and then we need to go ahead and select over here where it says holders, and over here it will show you basically everyone who does own Trump token, and more particularly how much Trump token they did actually purchase. So basically what you need to do from here is you need to search for the amount of like Trump token that the wallet that you did track did purchase. Now when it comes to tracking wallets, it's really important that you're on top of it. You need to make sure you get these opportunities incredibly fast, because these transactions come and go. The people sell them and they buy them extremely fast, so it's really important that you're literally on top of it. So let's say, for example, we wanted to go ahead and track this wallet over here. All we need to do is we need to select on copy address, and then we can go ahead and use any wallet tracking bot of your choice. For this video, I'm going to be using the Celo free bot right over here, but you could use any other tracking bot. But if you want this one in particular, I'm going to be leaving it in the description down below. But essentially what you need to do is you need to go ahead and select on menu. Go ahead and press on menu like so. Then this time we're going to go ahead and press on this button that does say add. Then go ahead and select on Solana wallet. Then go ahead and select on confirm. So basically once you went ahead and pasted the address, you want to go ahead and put a space and then include a name for this wallet. So for this video, I'm just going to be calling it tutorial like so. And then I'm going to go ahead and press on enter, and there you go. We have now added that wallet, and we can go ahead and begin tracking its performance, and basically we're able to get significant success if we do track good wallets. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I will see you in the next tutorial.